This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials: your SBI username and password, a working mobile that receives SMS, and your debit card details. Once done, open the SBI Internet Banking portal and securely log in. Make sure you use the correct profile if you manage multiple accounts, because changes apply to the selected account. You're starting now to link the mobile. This saves time at the branch and enables OTPs for transactions immediately after verification. Once logged in, navigate to Profile and then update contact details to begin changing your mobile number. Enter the new mobile number carefully and follow the on-screen prompts. The system will indicate whether the number is already in use. You will receive an OTP for authentication. Enter it promptly. If you don't get an OTP, make sure your network is active and that the number wasn't already linked elsewhere. The bank may require debit card validation or an in-branch request for additional security. You complete the process by confirming the update and waiting for the confirmation SMS. This indicates the mobile is now linked for OTPs and alerts. If the portal prompts for debit card validation, enter card details as required and finish OTP verification. If the update fails or the number is already registered elsewhere, make sure your KYC matches and visit the branch with ID and proof of mobile ownership. For OTP delays, try Resend. Restart your phone or call SBI customer support for immediate assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.